Hello and welcome to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy or to Catherine's Garden. And so I wanted to show you these rhododendrons that I purchased from Lowe's last year and planted in the back garden by the hydrangea shrub area. And they are just starting to open up this beautiful purple color. I am just so impressed with this part of the garden. And also I have been busy planting vegetables, cabbage and celery, peppers, and I even added some okra and also some cucumbers. So take a look with me. Planted some cabbage. I planted cabbage here, cabbage starts, and they are liking it here because they get plenty of sunlight. And I also planted celery and as well as pepper. And that's a hot pepper, a Jamaican hot pepper. This is new for me. I've never planted celery. I planted cabbage before, but I planted it over here in this bed, but I don't think it got enough sun. So I've decided to plant it over here and see what happens. As you see, I have these majestic trees and they do shade, but there was a section or some trees that I had over on this side over here, and we cut them down. So that changed the dynamic of the garden. So now we're able to not just plant shade plants, but also try and grow vegetables. And last year I was very successful. This year I'm going to continue to work on it. Today is trash day, so that's what you're hearing. But these tulips just continue to look spectacular. And I planted some more impatiens and other flowers here. But now the alliums are really are starting to open up. And I believe with these warm days that we're going to be getting, that we're going to see more of the alliums. Okay, and there's something else I wanted to show you back here in my hydrangea shrub area here, hosta area. But now, this is what is happening, and I love it. The rhododendron is beginning to open up. I love it just like this, and I love its color. I bought this rhododendron last year, and it is absolutely beautiful. I also planted another one over here, and it only has one bloom, but it's coming up. You can see it, right? There's so much to show you because each day something new is opening up. But I just love this because eventually this rhododendron shrub will grow big and fill out this area along with the hydrangea. But it's going to give such great color for this time. I also planted my little accent plants of the geranium and also the bleeding heart. So this whole area is going to just look very colorful and beautiful, with the rhododendron being the star of the show for this time in May. I believe strongly in succession planting, so that's what I'm trying to do each month or each time of the season. When one thing is going out, I want something else to come in. I don't know, this tree keeps shedding and it's dropping these leaves and seeds all over the garden. But it is what it is. The purple allium sensations are opening up all throughout the garden, and as they continue to bloom and open, I'm going to give you a tour of the garden because the garden is continually changing. And also, I'm just having fun with the garden, and this is just another look. I just hope that all is going well with you and that you're enjoying life and that you're just enjoying this time, this May, this time. This is the time that we just need to just enjoy ourselves and live life to the full. Well, have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to Catherine's Garden of LWS. See you in the next video. Bye.